In industries where corrosive chemicals are a daily challenge, accurate flow measurement is critical. That's where electromagnetic flow meters come in. Trusted solution for measuring acid flows. Electromagnetic flow meters, or magmeters, are widely used for measuring corrosive fluids, like sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, hypochlorous acid, sodium hydroxide, acetic acid, and more. But why are magmeters ideal for acids? First, acids and alkalis are conductive, making them perfect for electromagnetic measurement. The magmeter's principle relies on Faraday's law of induction, which detects the voltage generated as conductive fluids flow through a magnetic field. Second, magmeters can handle corrosive media by using specialized liners and electrode materials. Liners like PTFE or PFA resist chemical attack, while electrodes made of Hastelloy or titanium ensure durability against harsh acids and alkalis. With their robust design and adaptability, electromagnetic flow meters provide reliable, long-lasting performance in even the most demanding acid flow applications. Choose the right tool for your toughest flow challenges. Electromagnetic flow meters, precision you can trust, even in the most corrosive environments. Welcome to ContactSilverinstruments.com to get cheap price acid flow meter.